Hello everyone, good evening, namaskar. I hope all of you are fine and in good spirits. It's evening time and it's about to be 6 o'clock. The weather is quite cloudy but it's not windy, so I was not sure whether it will rain or not rain. So, what I was doing, I was wondering whether to water the plants or not to water the plants because if it rains, then there will be excess water. But then finally, I decided no, I have to water them because if there is no rain, then they will dry out of extreme heat. Because in the morning, daytime, there was heat and tremendous stroke, heat strokes. So, I thought that it's good to water them only. So yesterday I went to the nursery and I have brought some new plants again. So a plant lover is not satisfied how many plants he or she brings from the nursery or how many new plants they buy and add it to their garden. So it's a thirst that will never end because we crave for more. So yesterday the nursery people, as always, they are very happy to see me. So he told me to take this hibiscus. It's variegated hibiscus of a new type, purple colored, and it is rarely to be seen. So he has given me again forcefully to take it, and you will see the difference in your garden. So this is the purple hibiscus, and this one is the Harsingar. The flowers are very fine yellow and orange in color, and they especially bloom during the October season when there is Durga Puja. So, but I was not sure whether they will bloom throughout the year or not. But he said that it will bloom, and I could see the buds and the flowers also, the dry flowers. So I trusted on him and have brought this flower. It's costly, but it is in good condition, and I hope and pray to God that it survives in my garden. And then I also brought one hibiscus, the bell type hibiscus. It's also a new variety, and I have also seen it for the first time. So he requested to take this one. The leaves are also so beautiful to look at. So I was just mesmerized and I was just compelled to buy it. So this is the one of the purchase, and this one, it is called, I forgot the name what he told. The white flowers, they are very much scented. They are so scented, full of fragrance that in the morning also when I came to my garden, I could smell the flowers. And when I went there where the pot was kept, and I was just surprised to just witness the fragrance of these flowers. They are really very much full of fragrance. So you can also add it to your garden if you are a lover of fragrant flowers. So it will grow into a vine. Earlier I also had these flowers. I have brought it from the nursery, but I kept it on my ground floor sill. So there, it only the leaves were coming out, but the flowers were not there. I think in the summer season only they bloom. So when I repotted here on my terrace, it didn't survive because some mishap. And now again I am there with my same plant, and I hope it will survive the heat here also. And the one more plant I have brought, this one is the Ticoma. So the small flowers and the color, I was just marveled by the look of it, and I told me, please give me. When I like some flower or when I am just at love at first sight at it, I just don't see the money. I am just decided to keep it and bring it home and add it to my garden. So that's my weak point or good point. The viewers can tell me. And the other ones, this one is the show leaves, but this is hybrid, or I don't know what he was telling. I have brought it for one more time also, but it didn't survive. But this time I am a perfect gardener, I can call myself now. So I am sure, or I have a belief in me that this will survive. See, my lemongrass is looking so beautiful. It is just long and tall and growing. Only a single piece of dry grass I have brought it from my hometown, and now it has just given its full bloom, and sometime I will make a full video on its properties also. So this I have brought, and I have brought two types of coleus also, and another coleus was also there. It was red and had yellow bordered. It was red like blood in color. So I will also again go and bring that in my garden. I think they also even change colors also, because one I'm already having, but it is dark maroon in color, but there in the nursery I saw its color was red. So I am also inclined to buy that. And the nursery man, he told me that to come today. He called me today because he told that they are bringing some new plants from outside, and so that's why he told me to come this week. So I went yesterday only, so after 2-3 days I will see. That he told that he has brought lavender flowers also and other nice summer flowering plants. So I will go and visit it once again soon. And I have also brought some cosmos, genia, the saplings which they give 10 rupees saplings. I have kept it on my stairs, so I have brought that also. And one free, it's mandatory for him to give me one free plant. So I have brought aglaonemia, that is, it is having pink colored leaves, that I have brought, that I have kept down. And when I will repot it or plant it somewhere, I will show you. And my DIY planters, they are also ready. I have did a lot of hard work for the past days. Slowly I have just added the new plants that I have ordered from my Instagram friend. So I have also given a makeover to my balcony garden, first floor balcony garden, and that also I will soon give you a tour in my long video. I have uploaded a short video, but I will give you the tour in my long video. The birds, the pigeons, they are also flying and retreating to the nest. They are also waiting for the rains, but today it didn't rain. I think at night it will rain. So these are the uh, flowers and some fruit, and the chili plant. The chilies have not yet sprouted, but within a few days I think it will come out. This is my Exora. This I have brought during my last visit. And dear subscribers, if you have any tip for the bougainvillea, you can give me, because this bougainvillea is not growing completely. Earlier it had produced flowers, but now the leaves are not according to my understanding. So you can give me some tip what to do this with the bougainvillea. And the geraniums are there. So this is a part of my terrace garden. Let me show you the other side also. I have to give some makeover to this broken pot also. Soon I will be giving, because slowly the heat of the sun is not immense. And I forgot to tell my viewers that from today onwards I have got my summer vacations. I will be in my house, and I will be doing a lot of potting, repotting, making new planters for my plants. So this is my vacation time, and I am going to make full use of it. I hope that all my viewers must also be enjoying their vacations in some way or the other way. So please utilize your vacations in a fruitful way, and be happy, be safe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, if you like my garden, if you like my way of talking, if you like my flowers, plants and my vegetables. Thank you. Bye.